Kitten was born different from his siblings, and from that moment on, everything changed. Because no one wanted to play with him, and they wouldn't even leave space for him when it was time for milk. So his mom had to feed him separately when others weren't around. She also realized he grew smaller than his siblings. So she took him to the vet, and they discovered he had a severe calcium deficiency from not getting enough milk. So the owner had to give him supplements, but his siblings would always steal them, which meant he had to be fed by hand, but even then, he kept getting pushed away. Luckily, the owner's daughter loved him for who he was and made sure he got enough food and slept warm in her arms every night. And if you find him cute, leave a like.